What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Gold Garage. Cruising up to Chattanooga today to check out the new auction purchase. My brother went to an auction in Nashville and picked up a new ride. It's not really anything super exciting. But he says it is clean, and it is a beauty. Let's see, 2-owner, no accidents, lots of good service history on the Carfax. Timing belt service, water pump service about 30,000 miles ago. New tires. He said the interior is spotless. He says it is just flawless. So yeah, we'll see what it is. Watch till the end. I'll when we get up here. I'm suffering from an allergy attack today. My nose, I've literally brought a roll of toilet paper with me because I can't keep my nose from not running. All packed up for the weekend, gonna stay the weekend. Got the dog. What's up, Annie? She's asleep. I don't know if you can see that. I left my little selfie stick at home. Here's my ugly mug. Yeah, we're just cruising up 75 Chattanooga bound. Traffic is just awful. I mean, it is it like this everywhere in the country? I mean, where are you from? I mean, is it just, I mean, we're in a rural ass stretch of North Georgia. And I mean, the damn cars are lined up. You can't see it on the camera, but I can see it with my beady eyes. The cars are lined up for miles up the road through there. And I know when we get up here to this Chattanooga split off where, you know, you stay right to go to Michigan and you go left to go to Missouri or California. You know, I know it's going to be just a butthole show. So anyway, I'm cruising in the LS 430. The Impala is still down. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. Probably just going to unload it like it is, along with the Volvo. Remember the black Volvo from a year ago that blew up on me on the way home from the auction? Yeah, that's just been sitting at work. It has a layer of dirt and grime on it. Man, it is so deep. You can't even see the black paint. I'm going to load them both. It's going to be a tow-away special. I think, don't hold me to it yet, but I think I am going to end up with that little red Honda Accord, that 2001. But I have a birthday coming up the week after next. November 2nd, and God, I'm gonna be 49, folks. Jeez Louise, my 40s are over. But yeah, I've got this weird feeling that my mother has something up her sleeve. She might surprise me with a car. She had talked about buying a new GX460 and giving me this car. Now, how awesome would that be? I would be thrilled. But I don't know. She's so tight. She's such a tight person. She's got the money, but I mean, that's why she has the money, because she is one of the tightest people I know. Squeak, squeak when she walks, man. The Lexus, we're rolling at 100,215. I've put a couple hundred miles on her this week. And, man, she's just, as always, just a dream. Just a dream boat. You know, new tires, new shocks and struts. I mean, shoot. Oil's been changed. Timing belt's been done. I mean, this thing's ready to go another 100K without even looking at it. But I may keep this brief after I get to the doctor. And, oh, that's dangerous shit right there. Let that wrap up around your axle, buddy. after I get back from the doctor, I'll attach the new auction car at the end of this video, and we'll check it out real quick. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, I'm here at the big corporate headquarters in Chattanooga. There's my little Honda, just been sitting here. I gotta just figure out a way to get her home. Alright, this was the auction buy yesterday. Woohoo, exciting, right? Well, this son of a gun is clean. Got some brake dust on the wheels that needs to be cleaned up, but the exterior, we can't find a door ding, a scratch, or nothing on this thing. This thing, we don't think was hauling a bunch of kids, dogs, or nothing. I mean, these carpets, I don't know how well you can see that, but they are spotless all the way across. Spotless. Look at this entry. I mean, kids ruined this part of a van. The seats. I mean, minty fresh. The headliner, it's got it's got DVD. The headliner's not stained. The rear seat's not trashed. You know, just all the plastics are good and nice. Driver's seat. Floor, I mean, the floor mat up front. I mean, seriously? Nowhere. Just a little dingy on that footrest. Nowhere on the driver's seat. This is an 09. 147,000 miles. Timing belt, water pump done at the Honda dealership. Just shy of 100,000. I think it was 99 and some change. So, timing belt's been changed fairly recently. Power tailgate works. This is an EXL. I mean, this is how we got it from the sale. Now, we paid for this van, as you can probably guess. We paid pretty good for it. But it's going to be for sale, and it's going to be priced competitively. You know, we're not trying to make a killing off our cars. We just like to move them pretty fast. So, be a small little tidy profit, and somebody's going to get a damn good van for under what we're seeing them for sale for on Marketplace and eBay and Craigslist. I mean, this van has no wrecks, 2 owners. It's got Mastercraft tires all the way around. Everything works. Everything works. Let's crank it up. The roof, oh, you know, Honda paint is for the birds on these, you know, these years. The roof, perfect. None of that damn Honda clear coat failure. I mean, this seat is so firm, it feels like new. All the switch gear is nice. I mean, this is a nice van. This is probably one of the nicest ones we've ever had, and we've had a bunch of them. Okay. I think we may have the little mechanic wrench because, oh yeah, oil life 10%. We're going to get the oil changed, and we're going to rotate the tires. They're all matching tires, but the fronts have been on a little longer than they should be, so we're going to rotate them out. And let's take this thing for a quick drive. Let me get my seatbelt on. I mean, this van is freaking minty, y'all. Mint. It's got heated seats, a couple of power plugs down here, aux, Nice clean cup holders. Freezing cold air. I don't think it has a backup camera though. Ah, it does. 09 had a backup camera. Who the hell knew? I'm really surprised by that. But it's big and it's nice and it's clear. But the engine in this thing just runs perfect, as you can imagine. One that looks like this inside and out has been maintained well too. The Carfax is pretty sexy. It's got a ton of service history on it. Lots of good service history, oil changes. Again, the timing belt water pump showed up on there, done by the Honda dealer. Like I said, just a little shy of 100,000 miles. 2-owner. Shoot. Hey, and we've had a few of these that have been absolutely beat on, whipped on. I've got a pretty shady video from a couple of years ago of a 2006 or 7, I think we had, that had about 240,000 miles on it. It had been, ended up getting wrecked. Someone hit me in the back and I hit the car in front of me, and hell, we still ended up collecting an insurance check and selling the van to a customer. It didn't do that much damage to it. But heck, it even ran and drove good, and it was beat on, you know, carpet dirty, leather worn, but not this baby. This baby is sweet. We picked this up in Nashville, up at the Nashville sale. So that's about 2.5 hours, depending on, you know, how the wind's blowing, back to Chattanooga. So, you know, it's already pulled a nice little freeway trip, performed flawlessly all the way up to 90 miles an hour, just smooth as silk. A lot of people bid on this van yesterday. The bidding started at about $2,000, and as soon as that $2,000 bid went, I mean, it jumped to 25, 26, 28, 9, 3, 34, 35, 36. I mean, it just kept going. I bet it got 100 damn bids. And we, you know, when you find a nice one like this, you're gonna pay for it, you know. But you know, but you can still, as long as you're not trying to be freaking greedy, you can still make a nice little profit. So anyway, it'll be for sale soon. I'll do some type of posting or something with the price and everything. Like I said, we want to get the oil changed and get the tires rotated and balanced, so it's just ready to go, you know. Everything else seems to be in order, and shoot, with that timing belt service done, I mean, it's good to at least 200, so you should have 50,000 trouble-free miles. I can imagine anything going wrong. I mean, look at these touch points. I mean, there's not even any dust in the cracks. Just amazing. No crusty crap on the steering wheel. It really is remarkably clean. You would be hard pressed to find a cleaner 09, 010, 08, any Honda Odyssey of this generation. This car is just that damn clean. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Comment. I reply to all comments. If anybody's interested in the van, drop me a line. Y'all have a great day. It's Friday. We'll see you next time. Peace.